Namaskar, Adab, Sat Shri Akal. Welcome back. Hi, this is IB. What's up, guys? This time we are going to create two-number calculator program in Java. This is a CUI-based Java project. CUI stands for Command User Interface. So let's start. So go to File menu, New Project, or you can go to this menu, this icon. Click on this icon, select Java or Java application. Then next, your project name is two-number calculator. Your project location will be this. Click on finish. I am not going to create main class right now. We will create later. So click on finish. So we have successfully created this project. Unfold it. You will get source package and library. Inside source package, you will create or you will keep all your Java programs, and in library you will get all the Java libraries for core Java. So let's create a class. Right click on source package, new Java class, and class name is calculator right now. In my case, package name ib.textseries. Finish. Now I am going to create a main function, public static void main string s. Now I will create a function. It will print all the operation in this program we are going to perform. Like calculator will contain five functionalities: one, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and exit the application. So there are five operations we have to perform. So I am going to create a function print operation, public static void print operations. Inside I am going to print something like this. This just for make our program attractive. List of operation to be performed. System.out.println. Again, let's see the error. It's a println. First operation is addition. Second operation is subtraction. Third operation is multiplication. Fourth operation is division. And fifth operation is exit the app. Now we have to take choice from user. For this I am going to create a function take choice, private, because I want to use these functions inside our class. Private static void take choice. So we will use scanner to take input from user, to take choice from user. We have to import scanner. Enter your choice. I have used print to print something in one line. Now I am going to take three variables which will help you to store numbers or choice. Private static int number 1, private static int number 2, private static int choice. So I am going to store choice from user. So it's scanner as a method, next int, non-static method. Now I want to print, so it will print. So let's check it out. Is it running or not? Click here. Okay. And this is the list of operation to be performed, and I have given 1. Nothing will happen because I have not written any code for this. So let's close it. So what we have to do, I am going to write, actually I want to repeat this operation to take choices. User can give choices various type. So I can keep here a loop, do while loop, while choice not equal to 5, until user give choice 5, your list of operation to be performed will be repeated to the user, and user will get this program will run until user gives choice not equal to 5. If user gives choice 5, then your application will exit because we have given 5th operation for exit. Okay, so let's do. Actually if user not enter valid number, then what will happen? In that case our program will crash. Let's see. If user has given 1, then it's okay, it will repeat. But let's stop this program. If user has given any number, any character instead of number, so what will happen? Your application will crash. So what I am going to do, I am going to handle this exception is occurring when a user will give any character instead of number. Input mismatch exception. So input mismatch exception will occur whenever user is not giving integer. User is giving some other input instead of integer. So what we have to do, I can use exception handler, try catch input mismatch exception e. Let's import it because input mismatch exception found into java.util package, and I want to give a error message to the user. Please enter valid choice. Means if user enters a valid number, then okay, otherwise user will get a message, enter a valid choice. So now this good, it's looking good. So let's run it, and this time I have entered wrong input. Enter, and you will get enter a valid choice. So now it's cool. Again I have entered wrong input, I will get enter a valid choice. If I have input 3 and it is running, okay, so now it's good. Now what we have to do, we have to take choices from user. Based on choices I have to select operation. So I have given switch case and choice. Case 1, if user has selected case 1, then what we have to do, I have to print addition operation is selected. Is selected, and now we have to take two numbers. For numbers I have made a function, take numbers. So I have to create this function, take numbers, private static void take numbers. Okay, so again I have to take a scanner to take input. So I have taken another scanner, and it takes a parameter of system.in. Now system.out.print enter first number. Then we have declared number 1 in top of our program. So what we have to do, scanner has a method that is called nextInt. We can take a number from user using this method, and then again we have to print for second number, enter second number. Number 2, scanner dot next int. Now we have successfully taken 2 numbers from user. Then in case 1 we have to do sum operation. So I have created a function which name is sum. In sum function we will do what? We will do sum operation, private static void sum. So I have declared a variable in sum, and number 1 plus number 2, and let's print it. Sum result is, or you can print addition result is plus sum. So this is the sum. Now I can create another 4 functions. After sum I can break it. Okay, so let's check it out, is it running or not. Okay, so let's break the output first. Okay, what I am going to do, just click here, close this operation running. Now let's run it. I have given 1, there is an addition operation, 12 and 23, and result is 35. So it is looking cool. Okay, for 2 we have not written any operation, so that's why there is no operation is to be performed. So let's close it and create other functions like subtraction, multiplication, division. So I'm going to create another one, case 2, and system.out.println or what we can do, you can cut this statement and put into some function. Okay, that's good, looking cool. Okay, so let's create another function for subtraction. And system.out.println subtraction operation is selected and sub equal to number 1 minus number 2. System.out.println and subtraction result is sub. Now it's good. Save it. And run it. 1, 12, 34. That's cool. 2, 2, because we have not written case. Okay, so let's write switch case. So in switch case I have taken take numbers again and sub subtraction function which we have created earlier. You can see here, and break. Save it, run it, enter choice 2, 12, 2, and the result is 10. Looking cool. Close it. Now I'm going to create another function for multiplication, private static void multiply, and again we have to do same operations. System.out.println multiplication, operation is selected. Now int mul equal to number 1 into number 2 and print the multiplication result. So multiplication result is what? It's a mul variable. Done. Again we will create another one for division, private static void division, system.out.println and division section has selected, operation is selected, and div equal to number 1 divided by number 2. System.out.println division result is diff. So now we have to put these multiply and division function into switch cases. So case, another case is 3. Take numbers again and multiply, break, save it and run it again. Check it out. Multiply is working or not. 3, 12 and 3. 12 into 3 is 36. Yeah, looking cool. Multiplication operation is running cool. Okay, so let's stop this output operation. So go to again create another section, another case that is called 4. Case 4 is take numbers again and division, break, save it. Let's check it out. 4, I have given 34, 2, it's running, division result is 17, right, looking cool. Run it again. 12, if sorry, it's a wrong choice. Okay, 12 is not here, so that's why it has repeated. Do while loop is repeated. So what we have to do, if user enters wrong choice, okay, so I'm going to create a default one, default case. If user entered wrong choice, so what we have to do, so in default case, if user entered default, if user entered except from these 5 numbers, we have to print enter a valid choice, and yeah, right, break. So run it again. Now if user enter any number, then enter valid choice, right? Now check 4 division section. We were on division section. Enter your choice 4. It's a division section. Enter 12, and right now I have divided this number by 0, and it is going to boom. Our program has crashed because an exception is generated, arithmetic exception, divide by 0. If you divide a number by 0, it is an exception in your programming. So we must handle this exception in our program in division case. So if you divide a number by 0 in Java program or any programming language, it's an exception. You must handle division. So how we can handle this one? So try and catch. The exception was arithmetic exception, which is founded into java.lang package. So don't worry. And what we have to give a message. If you divide a number by 0, we will give a message. You can't divide a number by 0. So done. So our program will not crash if user will divide a number by 0. So let's see. 4, 12, 0. So user will get a message, you can't divide a number by 0. Okay, so now it's looking cool. Now, so let's see. Close this one. Now if I run here, there is no space, so let me put a space here. So choice, I can give here a space. So run it. Now see, if there's a space, 12 and 23, and cool, that is damn easy. It is printing addition result 35. Okay, so right now I'm going to select fifth one, which case is not created. Okay, so in fifth one we have to exit this app. So close this one, stop this output operation, and now I am going to create case 5. Case 5 is for exit application. Case 5. So for exit application, I have created a method exit app. So let's create this method exit app. Okay, so let's create here private static void exit app. And what is the code is responsible to exit our app? System has a static method exit. It takes an argument of integer. Done. Let's run it, and if you enter 5, your application will exit. Okay, so in exit operation I am going to print you have selected exit operation. Exit operation. Done. So fifth one is you have selected exit operation. Done. If you like what you saw, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.